Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change content language on the MANGA Plus application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen. You can find different mangas, for example the latest updates and the hottest new. If you want to change the content language, click to the lower bar and go to the profile icon next to the brush, and go to the settings icon, the upper right corner of the screen. You go to the search section, the language settings, click to the first button, the change content language, and here you can find different language and you can select that, for example the Deutsch. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.